nice right here. That's got a gear drive. Very nice, very nice. Like it. Really cool. That's good. '50 Ford, I think. I think it's a '50 Ford. Look at this guy. Well, there should be a counter on it that counts, like this one. We didn't get here too early. We got here just about right.
I want to get my share out.
That's a fast Mustang. Of course, it's faster car right behind it.
I don't think I was on.
Nice paint job. '67. We've already been on the trip. We know what it's like.
It's more fun to be doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. That wasn't.
They're going to have a great time. I'd push pause. I don't know how to start it back up again. 3 minutes delay. Plus I'll get my board. I like this right here. That's cool. I like it. He's taking his kid on it. That's pretty neat. Nice vet. That's where 67. So's that. Did a nice paint job too. What? No. Oh, that one is, yeah. Nova. Cool. They're going through Terrell.
Oh, how cool!
It is. It's one of the coolest things there is.
It's been just beautiful.
Oh, this is not even close to how many cars there are.
No.
There's thousands of them.
Oh my God.
Yeah, all the big vendors, Holly, Ellenbrock, all those guys, and it's the families, like the Ellenbrock family, and they're there.
Wow, that's a big thing.
Yeah, it is a big deal.
How cool! How wonderful!
They all have stickers. Power Tour, see, Power Tour 13. Ours Power Tour 12 because we went last year, but it's $80 for each car.
Yeah.
To even be in it. So you can imagine how much that is. Times a lot, you know.
So they just pass through different towns going all the way through to North Carolina?
Yeah, they do not they try to stay off the main drags. They don't want to take the interstate. They want to go through small towns and just have a ball. And then each town has an activity. When they'll drive 250 miles today.
Yeah.
And then when they get to where they're going, there'll be an activity to do. It'll be a racetrack, or last year they went on the General Motors the test proving track.
Yeah.
Nobody gets to do that.
Wow.
But see, General Motors sponsors it.
Okay.
And they bring a truck with every part they can imagine that somebody might need, you know, in case they break.
Oh.
Yeah, it's really, really cool. And it starts, see, last year it stopped in Arlington. Wherever it stops, it starts there the next year. So.
Okay, so it's going to start in North Carolina next year?
Yeah.
Oh, how neat.
And they kind of keep it secret, you know, where we didn't see that Terrell was on here until, you know, a couple days ago when they released it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we were trying to figure out what's going on, and we had no clue.
Oh, yeah, I can imagine. We told people, he said, we better tell them they're because they're going to, the place where the chicken place, Pilgrim Chicken is. They're going to Mineola. Okay. I said, you might want to tell the Dairy Queen, you know, because it's overwhelming to the small places.
Right.
If they decide to stop somewhere, you know.
Oh my gosh, yes. Talk about a traffic headache.
Yeah, and they do. You don't have to stay in line. You can pull out and do things.
Right.
Look, they interviewed one girl last year, and she says, if you see anything old and rusted on the road, I'm stopping, you know.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Got that Power Tour sign.
So why didn't you?
Power Tour? Why didn't I go?
Yeah, why didn't you do it?
I don't know. We didn't do it this year. We had some problems with some friends of ours that were going to go with us.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I mean,
that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Gotta go. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for talking to me.
Sure. You ought to watch.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll plan on it.
Like, see this right there? I mean, there's all kinds of, see, he's pulling out.
Yeah. Great, thanks again.
Sure.
I don't think Terrell was there. They probably had some police out which made the traffic light go faster.
God, I hope this comes out. Nice, nice. I like it. That's cool. I'm not taking any pictures. I got a movie thing going. That's it. I got a movie thing going.
South Africa.
Really? Look at the numbers.
Yeah.
57. 69. No, they don't. It's like, what's going on? That's neat. That's really neat. See, I can save time, but I'm... Look at this, you like this? That's a rat rod. Nice 69 Z28. Very nice. Very cool. It is, they're caught off guard. Man, nice camera. Nah, they're stacked up now through the town. It's slow anyway. That's I really like that. That's really nice. That's really cool. What's that thing? Oh wait. You want the key or you want to push the button? Button popped up. Left. Other way. Like that? Can't see there. I don't know. You can't. Somebody could hit you.
Where can I get?
Get over here.
I'm in the shade.
Do whatever you want. I don't think Terrell was ready.
Nowhere near.
No, I mean, I guarantee you they were. This won't happen again for, you know, maybe 10 years, but, you know.
I'm glad we came out today. Say, look.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty cool. You know, any car you imagine's on this deal.
I've already seen some gems.
Oh, yeah. Like that old vet.
Yep. You don't see many of those around.
Yeah, but I like that.
35 Ford, the best car I ever had.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love these Grand Nationals.
Yeah, they're fun, but you better know what you're doing if you own one, because they're just, you know, you got to jack with them a lot.
Oh yeah?
There's a beauty guy. Some of our club guys will probably come by in a little bit, because I didn't go, but they did. We used to go in a bunch, in a group.
Yeah.
Because if somebody breaks, we all carry extra parts.
Oh, okay.
For the turbo cars.
Yeah.
And that way, because you can't get it on the.
On a shirt?
Really?
Look at that.
I thought it was a piece of paper.
No, I thought it was too. On a shirt? There you go, shirt.
There's giveaways all during the thing. There's now all the trucks, all the companies, they do take the fastest route to get to where they're going, because they set up before these guys get there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'll tell you who's on it. I don't know how if you remember or not. There was a Mrs. Hurst, which is Linda Vaughn.
Yeah.
She's like, I don't know, she's 68 or something, but she's signing autographs. And you watch, you know who Courtney is on Muscle Car?
Yeah, I know who she is.
Courtney's with her. And,
Okay.
And they're signing, and Courtney's with them all 5, it goes the whole week.
Yeah. Wow.
Courtney's with them the whole trip, so I bet you Courtney's driving a car through it.
Huh. Wow. That's a big deal.
Oh, you know, it is. Almost everybody you can think of is here. You know, it's just really neat.
I'd love to be a part of something like this.
Oh, it's awesome. See, they're gonna end up. I know where they'll go. They'll do one of the. If they're going through North Carolina, they're gonna end up one of those speed tracks.
Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah.
Every hotel, every motel, in every one of the little towns are booked.
I would imagine. You said there were what? How many cars? 4,000?
There'll be at least 4,000. Man, that's old right there. Look at this right here.
Oh, look at it, yeah. Look at that. It's on the road.
Good looking Z28.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm a big Camaro fan.
Yeah, I used to do that. I used to race. I had to work Camaro race Z28, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Back when they first came out. Is she a car person? No.
A little bit. Only when I'm around.
She had neither, but we went last year and she loved it.
Well, I bet it'd be just a fantastic event. It's not just about cars, I would think. I think it's more about
Art, really.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's Celine.
And you can't get in anywhere unless you have that sticker.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It's an unusual color.
Always been a fan of Krager wheels too.
Oh, I think that model's got to have Kragers.
Yeah.
Just as the old Z28s and stuff. If you deviate from stock, it's got to have Kragers.
I agree. I used to hang out a lot with there was a truck club up here. Actually, it was up in Louisville. I used to hang out with them a lot when I had an 84. And
Yeah, see, you're a lot ton younger than I am. I mean, I raced 68 Z28s.
yeah.
Dallas International was there. That track's not there anymore. It's a good looking 66 right there.
Look at that.
Sounds good too.
Yeah, it does. Very nice.
They do it the first week in June, and a lot of these cars don't have AC.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's he doing? Oh. Sleep at the wheel. Yeah, that's good looking right there. Small towns we went in last year, cops wouldn't bother you. You could go through with open headers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got electric headers. I opened them all the time when I was in those small towns. It was fun seeing people on the side of the road, you know, waving at you.
Yeah.
Kind of cool.
Yeah, I think it's neat.
Yeah, he's excited.
He is excited. Sorry, buddy, they're just showing off. Sorry.
Nashville.
Let's go, buddy. There's some more. Look. Look. Woo. Look at that yellow purple.
69 Z28.
What do you think, buddy? You like seeing all the cars? Look. Yeah. Mom used to have one of those.
You miss it where you got here. There was 2 girls in a Corvette. They're gonna have a good time.
I bet they are. I'll bet they are.
This is kind of cool.
Love Mustangs too.
Yeah. There's a national one that's got 100 members. I mean, got 1,000 members, and the Dallas one has about 80 members, and only about 20 to 30 of them do anything as far as, you know, all the stuff. But they do different things. They have car shows, they have races, they have, and people do different things. So, you know, different people show up. But if you need help or anything, they're there.
Well, that's good. It's having fun, but yeah.
So October or all focus that goes where
Yes.
That's cool.
What do you see there, brother?
Look at the flight.
Yeah, look at that.
Nobody knows. That's what's amazing. Looks like the mayor would have put something out or something, or signs, or cops, or something.
Yep. Yeah. Good focus.
So is it almost over?
No.
It kind of waves.
No way.
So we get here close to the beginning?
Yeah, you
Okay.
did. They left at 8:30 from Arlington. We timed it to try to hit it, and we hit it pretty good.
It is neat.
So we're gonna have to get a car.
You get my Camaro back. Yeah.
What year?
Well, a 90 Camaro back and forth for a while, and he has it right now.
Yeah.
I used to be big into MR2s.
Oh, my dad's was a 1985.
85.
Nice red right here, Mercury.
Oh yeah, look at that. I have a 24/7 in my bag.
But you did bring the 24/7?
It's attached to the camera.
You can see nobody's going to speed,
No, no.
so they're harmless. It brings a lot of business to small towns.
Yeah.
That's one of our cars.
That's another. Yeah, I would so join something like this. This is fantastic. Oh, hey buddy. Yeah, you sweet thing. Yeah, you're a good boy.
This is cool.
Oh, look at that, Cody. Check that out. Ooh, see it? You see it? Look. Beautiful.
pickup right there.